Hey everyone, want to join our live interactive classes? Just click the link in the description and start your journey today. Okay, welcome to First Library YouTube channel. Today in this session, we are going to discuss about the symbols are used for the regular expressions. What are the symbols we are going to use for the regular expressions? Okay, so in the last class, we have discussed about what is regular expression, okay, and how to use the regular expressions, what are the functions available in the regular expressions. Okay, so first of all, what is the regular expressions? It is used to search or match a string, okay, like control F, white, which we are going to find if you want to find any word or string in a particular document, then what we are going to do, then we can just we will go for uh, control F, and we will try to find the that word or string in that particular document. In the same way, in Python also, we are using regular expressions to find the or to match or to search the strings in a Python. Okay, so and also here in the last class we have discussed about how to use these functions or regular expressions in Python. How can we use? Uh, we can use by importing one module called RE. RE stands for regular expressions. Okay, and here we are going to use that RE or regular expression by importing that function. Okay, so what we are going to do is we simply write import space re, then it is able to import that regular expression. Okay, and then uh, we have discussed about different kinds of functions which are available in the regular expressions. So first of all, we have discussed about match and then search, find all, split, and sub. Okay, these are the some important functions which are used for these regular expressions. Okay, uh, and some more are also there, which we are going to discuss in our upcoming sessions. Okay, so here, for in order to use these functions, okay, in order to use these functions, we are going to use some of the uh, uh, symbols. Okay, some of the symbols we are going to use. So for these symbols, okay, for these symbols, we are having different kinds of what we call meanings. Okay, each symbol has different meaning. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about which symbol is used for which one. Okay, which symbol is used for which purpose. Okay, each symbol has its own special purpose, and now we are going to discuss those symbols and what is the purpose of that symbol in this regular expression. Okay, so for here, I am going to uh, name the today's class. So it is about the symbols, right? Symbols which are used in these regular expressions. Okay, so today's class name is Regex symbols with names, meaning, okay. Meaning is nothing but their purpose. Okay, symbol. First symbol is a dot. Here it is a dot symbol. I'm going to specify here because start right. You didn't specify the name. Then you are unable to know. Okay. So dot. Dot is used for matches any one character. Matches any one character. Okay, matches any one character. Any one character means as we know what is character. Characters are nothing but an strings or text. Okay, so it is used to match any one character. Any is different, one is different. Any one character. Okay, and the next one. While going for the practical sessions, you are able to understand each and everything in a detailed way. Now I am going to specify the symbols only and their purpose. In our upcoming sessions, we are going to do we are going to use all these symbols in a practical way. Okay, and the, next symbol is caret symbol. What is caret? I'm going to specify here the name also. Then you can easily understand. Caret symbol. Otherwise, it will make more space. It is used to matches the start of a string. Okay, start of a string. Wait, we'll show you. Just the start of a string. Okay, so here and the meaning of this matchup start of a string means so each and every text. Okay, each and every text is having some starting point, right? So we are going to use this caret symbol in front of that string, in front of that string. Before the string starts, then the caret symbol will place. Okay, like examples here, I'm going to specify example. Caret symbol space. Hello. Next thing, dollar. It's a dollar sign or symbol. So here this dollar symbol is used for uh, end of a string. It matches the end of string. Example, hello, hi. For this, we are going to use this symbol. Okay, like that. If you want to match the starting of a string, then we are going to use caret symbol. If you want to match the end of the string, then we are going to specify the dollar symbol, and then asterisk. We usually call this as a star, but the technical name for this is asterisk. It is used for match the zero or more representations. Zero or more. Sometimes doesn't have any single character to match it. Then at the time, or sometimes it may have n number of matching strings. N number of matching strings. Okay. So at the time we are going to use this zero, this asterisk symbol. Okay. More repetitions. So the example for this asterisk symbol is AB star. Okay. So it matches which kind of character it is going to match a comma. So A is a single letter here. Okay. And AB, it may contains dual or multiple also. And then ABB. Okay, like that. Sometimes it may have zero characters, sometimes it will have more number of characters. So whatever the characters will be, it is going to match. It is going to match. And then next, plus symbol. So plus symbol. So plus symbol is used for to match the one or more characters. Okay, one or more characters. So asterisk symbol is different from plus symbol, right? So what is the main difference between these asterisk and plus symbol is asterisk symbol can also match the zero or more repetitions. Okay, n number of repetitions. It may have sometimes it may have zero or sometimes it may have more repetitions. But here plus symbol, by using plus symbol, it is used to match if there is only one character. Okay, at least it has there, it must be there at least one character. Okay, then only it is going to match, otherwise it won't. Okay. One or more. So it's like a AB plus matches AB comma ABB. It may have one or two or multiple also. ABB. Next, It's better to take some less space here. Okay. So that you can easily understand. Okay. Now it has more space to write, right? Okay. Next, after that, question mark. Question mark. It is also matches the 0 or 1 repetition. Okay, 0 or more, not more here. It's one only, either 0 or 1. In the above, it may be it is 0 or more. It is he for plus symbol it is 1 or more, but for question mark it is 0 or 1 only. If it is having n number of matches, then it won't work. Okay, if it is having n number of matches, it won't work. A B matches A comma A B. Okay, that's only. If it is having more like A B B, okay, A B B B A triple B A or A C or A triple C like that, then at the time of scenario it won't work. Okay, next one N flower brackets. Okay, these flower brackets are used to wait. Exactly n number of repetitions like if you want to specify a number whether it is having two characters or two matches, then only it has to work like that, or it has if it is having three or more four like that. If you want to specify the number of matches, okay, if you want to specify the number of matches, then we can give like this. So at that time it will also switch for if it is having three times, then only it will match it. Either it is having, if you specify the number 4, then it will try to switch for 4, whether the document is having 4 matches or not, then only if it is having 4 matches, then only it will show, otherwise it won't show. Okay, so for example 4. So it's exactly n repetitions. N means numbers. Okay, sorry. N specify the number. Okay. Matches. If it is, if it only matches, if it is having 4 years. If it is having 2 years or if it is having 3 years, it won't match. Okay. Next. In flower brackets only, we here what we are going to use n comma. Okay. So at least n repetitions. It only shows at least n repetitions like 2. Okay. And then number of repetitions must be in a number specified number. Okay. If it specifies only 2, then only it will matches, otherwise it won't match. It won't match. Okay. And if it is having more number of matches, but at least it has two same characters, at least it has two same characters, like how here I'm going to specify n repetitions. Okay. For suppose a comma or in flower brackets a of 3 comma 3 comma flower bracket closes. Okay. So what it will match here is matches at least 3, that a must contain 3 times. Okay. Like yeah. Okay, it is having 3, it is matches. So then what is the difference between the previous one, the above one, and this one is in the above one it is specified that if it is having 4 characters, then only it will match. If it is having more than that or less than that, it won't match. Okay. So here if it is having more characters, okay, then also it will match. Here I'm going to show the example, like we specified number 3 here, so it will match 3 uh, characters. Okay. Now what about this? If it is here, what about it is having 4 1 4 years, it is already contains 3 right here, so it will match. Okay. What if it is contain 5 years? 3 is compulsory. Okay. 3 already there, extra 2 are also there. At the time also it will match, but here not like that. If it is having 4 4 year 4 year means it will, if it is having 4 years only, then match. Otherwise, it won't match. Okay. Next, n comma in flower package n comma m. N comma m means between n and m reputations. So here, if you don't understand these things here, I will repeat this all before closing the session. Till that time, just be patient and please be listen. Okay. See here, I'm explaining and parallel. I'm also writing the notes, right? That's why if you have any doubts or any issues regarding this, then please comment below. Okay. And also, I will repeat the same class again, once again for uh, uh, those who are not understanding. Okay. And so here, n comma n matches between n and m repetitions. So n and m repetitions means a comma a of 2 comma 4. So 2 comma 4 means in between 3 years there, right? Okay, in between 3 is there. So if it is having three same characters, then also it will match. Okay. For suppose it is 2 comma 6, then what? So between 2 and 6, if it is having n numbers, then it will match. Okay. If it is having two characters, then also it will match. And if it is having three characters, then also it will match. And if it is having more than three, also it will match. Okay. Next, square brackets. This is usually called as a character set. So, character set means it will match numbers and this text also. Not only one number, only numbers, not only text characters. It will match both. I mean, either text or either numbers, either text or either numbers. So here, small a to z. Next R, and the numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, from A to Z on 0 to 9. Sorry, should be here. Wait for a second. Small A to Z, numbers 0 to 9. Usually call this as character set. Next, this is useful for grouping. Okay, useful for grouping. What is grouping here? I will show you. So here, grouping. Example of grouping is like text plus and text plus, like ABC plus, ABC plus. Okay. Next, this symbol. So it is called as an escape special characters. Okay. Escape special characters. Escape special characters. Like if you want to hide some extra matches, that is some special matches, then we are going for this. You can understand this by going in by taking one real-time example in practical sessions. Okay, so here matches. Okay, escape special characters. Okay. Before closing the session, let's have an overview of what we have discussed in the today's session. Listen carefully. Now I'm going to explain the same things again. So first, today's agenda is to know about the regular expression symbols. Okay, which are you going to use in Python? Regular expression symbols. Okay, what is regular expression or how to use regular expressions? What are the functions available in regular expression? Those are already I had explained in the previous session. Okay, now today's session is about to what are the symbols we used for this regular expression. Okay, the first symbol is dot symbol. Dot symbol matches any character. Dot symbol matches any one character. And then caret. Caret matches the starting of a string. Okay, what is the starting of a string? Maybe it will match. And then dollar sign. Dollar sign is used for match at the end of the string. So like this. I put this dollar symbol at the end of hi. Okay, next asterisk symbol. Asterisk symbols matches zero or more repetitions. Or sometimes it may have zero, and sometimes it may have n number of repetitions. Then at the time we are going to use for this asterisk symbol. The example of okay. So here um it will match either zero or more repetitions. And then next plus. Plus symbol is used for one or more repetitions. For what is that? Okay, what is the difference between this asterisk and plus is asterisk will matches which is having zero also. Okay, but plus symbol matches only if it is having only at least one match. Okay, and then question mark. Question mark is also used for zero or more repetitions like this. Okay, and then n in flower brackets also are we can also call these as curly braces. Wait, we can going to specify those also so that you can understand easily. Curly braces. Next, these are also called as a curly braces only. That's why I didn't mention. This is also curly braces only. Okay. So the purpose of this n comma is to at least n repetitions. Okay, like a 3 comma matches whether it is having three characters or more characters also. Okay, three characters or more characters also. And then n comma m. So whatever the characters between these n and m, those will be matches. Like if you give 2 comma 4, then it will matches the characters which are having three characters also, like this here I had mentioned AAR, triple E R, 4 years. Okay, next uh, square brackets. Okay, pair square brackets we can also call it as character set. So these character set are used for to match either digits or characters. Okay, square brackets are used for either digits or names. Okay, we are having different kinds of names like John, Abraham. Okay, uh, uh, James, like that. The names we are going to match here. Either sometimes it may have text, and sometimes it may have numbers. Both will match. Okay. So here I'm going to specify here instead of cat set, I'm going to specify a, square. Okay. Next, parenthesis. Parenthesis slash, and these parentheses are used for grouping. Okay. These parentheses are used for grouping. Wait. Grouping means it is having more groups like ABC and CDE, like that. Okay. If it's having a number of grouping characters, then it will going to match those characters. Okay. And then backslash. Backslash is used for escape special characters, like these above enter, or I mean what we call escape. And if you want to escape some special characters, in those matches, then we are going to use this backslash. Okay. So here, wait, I'm going to specify the name here. Okay. So first one is dot, second one is character, and third one is asterisk, fourth one is plus, fifth one is question mark. Okay. And uh curly braces. And we are going to specify here n instead of numbers. Okay. We can specify the numbers instead of n here. Okay, while writing. And then square braces, parentheses, and back slash, and then back slash. Okay, I hope this class is understand for you. So if you like the content, then smash that like button. Want to stay updated with our latest content, hit subscribe. Got any questions or uh, doubts? Okay, drop them in the comments. We are here to help. And know someone who is struggling to kickstart their IT career, share this video and make a difference. Thanks for watching. See you in next one. See you in next one.